room tour. Hey fam, and welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I'm going to be giving you guys a not so aesthetic but also aesthetically pleasing room tour. Bro, this room holds so much memories because I think I've been in this room for more than, especially this house in general, I've been in this house for up to 14 years, if not 15 there. But we didn't really move a lot when I was a kid. I think it's only once we moved, and this is the house we moved in. Just give you guys a pre-room tour. Your girl has been busy, and I know you guys have been waiting for a vlog. I am sorry. Please accept my apology. Your girl has been very busy. Like, this week alone has been so chaotic. I promise you, if you're in my snap, if you're following up with my snap, you know your girl has gone through a lot this week. Anyways, I'm not going to give you guys the gist. You're just going to follow my snap and my WhatsApp channel to keep updates. Love you. So once you open my room, this is what you're going to be looking at. This thing right here might not be good for me. I don't really know what it's used for, but just to show that I really appreciate and love him, because my dad is this type of person. He loves gifting. Like, he just loves gifting random things. I think that's his love language. So even though I don't really know what it's used for, I just keep here to appreciate him. Then over here on the other side of the door, you're going to be seeing my scrunchy bunchies. These are basically where I keep my hair packers, hair everything, hair essentials over here. Then behind here, this is where I keep my ring lights. This segment of the room, or this part of the cupboard, is my bits and bob area. Then over there is my shoes. So let's start with the bits and bob area first. Over here, this is where my hair clips are and my glasses. I don't really have much glasses because I'm not really a glasses girl. But yeah, it broke, unfortunately. That's my bits and bob area as well. This is my tacti. This is the tacti I used to gum this thingy. So, or for my press-ons, if you guys are asking, it's called tacti. But there are also other things, but I just use the tacti because that right here is my go-to wig. This is the wig I use every time I'm going out. Like, it's just something I can just throw on, and it's so high quality, which I love. Over here is my nail. Like, these are the last sets I did. OMG, like, oh, we have gone so far. These are my last set. I think it's been very long I actually use this nail thingy. Then these are my lash clusters, my hair serum. It's not really looking so kept right now, but yeah, these are where my lashes are. I don't really use eyelashes again. I already have lash clusters. Then over here, this is my makeup segment, or my makeup area. This is my makeup bag. I think with all the makeup products I have here, I can do a full face makeup. Then here are just what I would like to call the jara, like things I don't necessarily need. In case I'm traveling, I don't need to like just pack it into here. I can just carry this makeup box. Yeah, then over this area, over there is where I keep my brushes. This is my hair dryer. This is my for my hair straightener. I didn't throw it away because if I'm traveling, I'm going to keep it inside a place. I can't be carrying it like that. I just don't really feel comfortable. Then there's nothing inside. I just really love the box, and that's why I collected it. This was my last foam pouch. I kept it because memories, guys, memories. Inside this nylon, this is where my attachments are. For example, if I do a hair and they still remaining attachments, this is where I keep it. Then these are my makeup brushes, the ones I don't really need. This is my relaxer, and yeah, this is my nail, a very old nail, this thing. I think it was for my sister. Then this other segment, okay, so I finished the bits and bob area. Then this is the other segments, which are my shoe segment. So this upside, I feel like I'm too organized. I can't live with a person that's not organized, unfortunately, because I won't say I'm a clean freak, but I love like when I can just go somewhere and I can just see something instantly. I don't like. Anyways, that's not the point. This place is basically my shoe I can just throw on anytime. Anyways, this place is the shoe that I can just, anytime I want to go out, I can just wear one of these, like throw them on. Then this area, I hardly use any of these shoes. You can see by the dust on them, because I always use it. Even if I'm going for service, I think it's once in a while I use most of these shoes. But these are for my like canvas. I have one boy in the door in my parlor. Then over here, like this, high heels. Then coming to this area of the room, one of my favorite parts of the room, this place, is my closet. This is my closet. Here is for my hoodies and anything. For example, my towel. If I don't want to, like, sometimes I just want to throw it on the bed, I just, it's for easy access, just keep it over here so that it does not make my bed look messy. Then also my hair bonnets, my thingies, blah, blah. Then over here, as you can see, I'm a Jesus baby. I go to service every Sunday, so you can see it clearly, but this is just for service. Everything here is for service, I think. Yeah. Then over here is just my jackets, like jackets. Down here, I didn't really want to show this part, but I'm still going to show you. Down here, those things there are bags that I don't use again. Those ones are clothes I don't use again that I'm going to give to my cousins, and those are wigs that my sister brought last time, but I didn't really fancy it. Then up here are just basically books and bags. I'm going to blur this segment because it's private, but this the activity happens. This is where I pick those stylish, beautiful clothes, even though I only wear one maxing gown and a maxing skirt every freaking day or every freaking video. But this is where the magic happens. This is my closet. That side I feel is for service, but here is where everything happens. This upside, what's this upside for? I can't really. Okay, this side are my basic wears. This upside, I like, especially this segment. Even though I'm still going to blur it out, I'm going to like make it visible a little bit. This segment is my outing gowns. Here, towel. Here is for my work from my 9 to 5. Here is for my sports. Like, I love being organized. I can't be messy. I'm sorry, messy, but I still love having like even though I'm messy, I know where everything is. Do you get? Then here are just my doodles, like nightwear and my dress I wear at home. Over here, these are where my jeans, anything related jeans, it's here for my jean. Here are where my tops are, and underneath are where my bed sheets are. Then all these things are basically new. I put to the cupboard so I can hang thingies. Then coming to this area, I just decided to beautify this place a little bit and add all these things I printed because my mommy bought a printer and I felt she made a very, very big mistake because I'm going to be printing every freaking thing. That's my laundry bag. This is my, I feel like I zoomed in so much, but this area is, I don't know what this is. I just felt I needed to decorate my room because this place was plain. Like, it was just nothing was here. So I felt like to just add a little bit of touch and pizzazz. Yeah, this is my bed. I don't know why this thing is here. This is my bed. This is my also the most comfortable place in the world. My beddy where I sleep. This is my desk. Yeah. My laptop, my phone stand, center candle, everything related to this is where I work. This is just like a, I just love it. I don't know. I'm just a girl. Then there is where I plug my phones. Yeah, this is my drawer, but there are some things inside right now that I won't feel comfortable showing you guys. He brought me this thing. He said I should put it in my room on this desk, but I wasn't honestly feeling it at all, so I just kept it there. But I don't want to feel like I don't want to return it before I start saying, ha, I don't care about his things. And this is your favorite lady, period. This is where I was just doing an intro for you guys. And this is where my mirror is, by the way. Coming to the right again. These are where my babies are. I feel like this is my third favorite place of my room. This is where my wigs are, my go-to, okay, not really my go-to wigs, but these are wigs that I would love, especially 1, 2 plus that one over there are the ones I would like. Do you get? These ones are just Jara. Anyways, over here are my purses. Yeah, purse. My jean. This purse has been with me since how many years now? You guys, this is my OG purse. You guys, the OGs know. This is pink purse I just got recently from Worry. This is my Coach bag. This is my mom's bag that I really love. I feel like it's giving this 90s vibe. This, oh my days, you can clearly see it's the long of this bag. It's so dusty. But this is my sister bag, and I was see the way I was asking for this bag then, but now like I'm not even using. Don't worry. But the thing about me, if I start using a particular bag, for example, I started using this bag the starting of this week, right? I've been using the bag and I'm going to use it to the ending. Like, that's just my problem. But anyways, yeah. My other bag, my big bag. What else? I still have some bags over there that I don't use, but these are my go-to bags every freaking day. Then come down, drop down, and zoom in a little bit. This is my hair straightener. This is my new things, and this is my workout mat. Then to the right again. This is my little mini vanity. I hardly, when I say this is the most or used place in my room. I'm not even joking. I hardly sit on this place. I promise you that this place is just where I keep my things. If I'm doing anything, I always carry it there. I come to the end of my room. So if I know this vlog is going to be so short. Wait, let me try to change this thing. I'm trying to get prepared. Unfortunately, we've come to the ending of today's vlog, and I'm really happy that I filmed this vlog for you guys, because I know you guys have been waiting to tour my room. This is a little reminder for you that you don't need your room to be aesthetic to do a vlog. My room was never this aesthetic. Yes, I did make it a little bit bling bling here and there, but it doesn't really change much. Like, if people want to see it, they will see the way it is. It's just your mindset on something, and be very grateful, please. There are some people that they don't even have roof to their head. I promise you that. Be very grateful. Did I rearrange my room before I started this vlog? Maybe, but then again, you guys don't really need to know. Yeah, so like I said, and I'm going to say it, you don't need your room to be the most prettiest to film or to do something. Okay? Yeah. Bye guys, thank you for clicking this video, and see you in my next vlog.